So we're going to do the same thing we did in our last video, and we're going to use this as our template. This is the seat that we just cut out. So I'm going to first mark out where these center lines are on my new sheet of wood, and then I'm just going to trace around. I don't want to trace the inside here because we're going to create a new one. And now I want to connect these center lines. So this is the starting point for our back. It was the same starting point we had for the seat, and it'll be the same for the next two sides as well. The offsets to the slots are going to be the same, but their depth is going to be different. First, we want to get our line for the base of the slot. How I would do that is just make a couple marks. So I'll make one on the center line at 8.4 here, 8.4. So now we'll just draw this line. So this is the length here and here for the back slot. So now we're going to get the center lines for our slots, and it's going to be the exact same thing we did for the seat. So you're going to want to measure 27.3 from the center line on each side. And now you want to get the thickness of your slot, which again is 3/4 inches or 1.8 centimeters. So I'll go on the marks that we made and go 0.9 on one side and 0.9 on the other side. And I'm going to use my square to get a perpendicular line, bring it right to the edge of the oval. And now the next step is to cut it out. All right, and this is how you make your back.